In this video I'm repairing this cool yellow Sony Walkman Sport version. Problem is that spring came off and I don't know where, and it has something to do with the tape head movement because it sticks up but doesn't return to lower position when stop button is pressed. And to find the place for the spring, let's open this thing. 2 screws here, and carefully twisting the aux connector while pulling interior out. Then we can see the mechanism better. And no clear place where the spring belongs. I had to check pictures from the internet and then I realized that here is the correct place. There should be a plastic pin holding the spring in place, but that pin is snapped and that's why it was difficult to spot logical place for the spring. Then with really small screw I managed to mount the spring in place, and mechanism feels quite stiff, so I also need to clean and lubricate all the moving parts so that the tape head will move smoothly and easily. Then of course, now when belts are easy to access, I'm gonna replace those. And then everything back together. Make sure that buttons slide easily inside the rubber sleeves, because these rubbers may twist or get stuck around the top of the buttons, and of course then the mechanism won't work smoothly. And another thing is that old plastic can be fragile, so do not over tight the screws. Other than that, pretty straightforward assembling and you're all set.